Join our 3-day hands-on workshop to master genomic analysis techniques. Learn from experts in the field and gain practical experience in next-generation sequencing, NGS, data analysis, genome assembly and annotation, variant detection and genotyping, gene expression analysis, bioinformatics tools and pipelines. To understand this, you must have the basic information of what are genes? What are the functions of the genes? What is DNA and genetic codes? How different gene codes exist? What is transcription and translation? Where our genes come from? How many genes are present human and different plant species? What is genome? Why we need to understand genome?
For 3 days online workshop on genomic analysis, you should have this basic knowledge.